High blood sugar symptoms. 10 dangers of high blood sugar. Are you aware of high blood sugar symptoms that you should be concerned about and the dangers that high blood sugar poses to your health? High blood sugar is not a joke. To put it mildly, it is deadly, and you should know all about the dangers and the symptoms. In this video, we will go through those dangers and symptoms of high blood sugar. Everyone knows that diabetes is a severe condition. However, it is not commonly understood that perpetual high blood sugar can lead to a host of other severe health issues. If you have a family history of diabetes, or are simply struggling to avoid having too much of your favorite desserts, here are 10 dangers of high blood sugar you must know. But first, a few lists of high blood sugar symptoms that you should watch out for. Following are lists of high blood sugar symptoms that could alert you that something is not right, or that your blood sugar is too high. A. Frequent tiredness. B. Hunger. C. Headaches. D. Frequent urination. E. Blurred vision. F. Lack of concentration. G. Sensitivity to caffeine. H. Lack of interest to sleep. I. Gum disease. J. Always feeling thirsty. K. Weight loss. Now, 10 dangers of high blood sugar. 1. Increased risk of stroke. According to an article published by the World Journal of Diabetes in 2007, your risk for a stroke is 4 times higher when you have diabetes. This significantly increases your risk of dying and makes it more likely to happen at a younger age. 2. Higher risk of heart disease. According to the United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, heart disease is considered as the leading cause of death in both men and women. The problem is that diabetes makes you twice as likely to develop a potentially fatal heart condition. 2. High blood pressure. Along with cardiovascular problems, diabetes puts you at a higher risk of hypertension. When your blood sugar is high for prolonged periods, you are likely to develop complications in various body parts, including your eyes, kidneys, and extremities. 4. Higher likelihood of infections. In an article featured by the Indian Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism in 2012, researchers pointed out that infectious diseases are generally more frequent in diabetic patients. What is more, their conditions are often more severe. That is because high blood sugar leads to a weakened immune system. 5. Higher risk for pancreatic cancer. A poorly functioning pancreas can often lead to diabetes. This is significant because the pancreas is the organ that is primarily responsible to produce insulin. Unmanaged diabetes and constant high blood sugar put you at a higher risk of developing pancreatic cancer. 6. Damaged blood vessels. High blood sugar restricts your blood flow. Over time, that causes damage to your blood vessels, which can lead to a wide variety of complications. This is usually associated with cardiovascular problems, but also it can affect smaller vessels, like those found in the kidneys and the eyes. 7. Nerve damage. Just like blood vessels, nerves can become damaged because of prolonged high glucose levels. Diabetic neuropathy, a condition wherein weakened or damaged nerves cause pain or numbness, is a common condition among diabetic patients. 8. Various feet issues. Diabetic neuropathy most often affects the feet. It can cause disturbing tingling sensations, sharp pain, or swelling. Other foot-related issues brought on by high blood sugar are ulcers or infections that take long to heal. 9. Poor eye health. Nerve and blood vessel damage often leads to poor eye health. Not only does high blood sugar lead to vision problems, but it could cause visual disturbances or even blindness. It also puts you at a higher risk of glaucoma and cataracts. 10. Poor digestive health. When you continuously have high blood sugar, you can suffer from a condition called diabetic gastroparesis. This involves a slow digestive system wherein food stays in your stomach for longer. Consequently, that leads to many other issues, including bloating, nausea, and heartburn. These 10 dangers of high blood sugar and high blood sugar symptoms should be enough for anybody to take high blood sugar seriously. The key to avoiding this awful condition is to make sure you keep your glucose levels normal. And if you already have diabetes, you must work with your doctor to manage your condition to avoid unforeseen complications. This is a severe disease that can lead to even more severe health risks. So pay attention to the symptoms and the dangers we have outlined, following our study references. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.